Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. So today just going to give you a little quick update on the AllPowers 200W solar panel. So I've been using it here over the last few days and just give you my thoughts on it. Again, the guys at AllPowers sent this one out for me to test out and give you a bit of a review. So yeah, I'll give you a bit of a quick update. Let's go have a look. Alright guys, so this is our setup here for the next few days. Again, rocking the AllPowers S2000 Pro to power our setup over here. We've got the Starlink running, and over here we've got the AllPowers 200W solar panel. So so far it's been absolutely brilliant. So just to give you a bit of a look at sort of where we are and its orientation to the sun here. So basically almost directly parallel. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We've got a big group here who'll be able to check it all out. Yeah, it's about 2.2 meters wide unfolded. It comes in with the pre-built cable with the MC4 connectors, which pump out up to 25 amps. Again, I've been getting consistently anywhere between probably 140 and 150 watts out of the panels themselves. So again, folds up very compact, nice and easy to set up. You'll see from the back here, again, the folding legs, super easy, comes to sort of a preset angle when you fold them out. And as you can see, those 4 panels will fold up neatly into this one little unique panel at the end. And if I flop that around, and you can see that's the connector there, which comes out with the MC4 connectors. I'll give you a quick look inside so you can see the input. Here we go. So we've got the AllPowers S2000 Pro, and also obviously depending on your time of day, location of the sun and so forth, that's going to vary quite dramatically, but so far very happy with what I'm using, with what I've been getting. And also if you're interested in the AllPowers S2000 Pro, go check out the channel. It's a great little unit. It's been perfect for, again, keeping the kids happy. They're online gaming at the moment. Out in the bush, which is great with the Starlink unit. All right, guys. Again, if you like what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up. Again, subscribe to the channel. Again, share it around. You would have seen through the video. There's a few links, QR code links to the AllPowers solar panel, and also the AllPowers power station if you'd like to purchase it. Also, there'll be Amazon links and so forth in the description, and links to the AllPowers website, so you can basically purchase it from wherever you want. Okay, all right guys, see you in the next video. Cheers.